Home is more than just a place to live, it's where comfort, functionality, and personal style come together. For many homeowners, remodeling is the key to improving all three. In Rochester Hills, more homeowners are choosing to invest in remodeling projects to enhance their living spaces, increase property value, and create a home that truly fits their lifestyle. One of the biggest reasons homeowners invest in remodeling is to improve comfort. Over time, a home's layout or features may no longer meet your needs. Maybe your kitchen feels outdated, your bathroom lacks functionality, or your living space feels too cramped. Remodeling allows you to redesign these areas to better suit your daily routine. Whether it's creating an open-concept layout or upgrading fixtures, these changes can make your home more enjoyable and easier to live in. Another major factor is increasing home value. Remodeling is one of the most effective ways to boost your property's market appeal. Updated kitchens, modern bathrooms, and improved living spaces are highly attractive to potential buyers. Even if you're not planning to sell anytime soon, investing in remodeling helps ensure your home remains competitive in the future. In Rochester Hills, where homeowners take pride in well-maintained properties, these upgrades can make a significant difference. Energy efficiency is also a key reason many homeowners choose to remodel. Older homes often have outdated systems, insulation, or materials that lead to higher energy costs. Remodeling projects can include energy-efficient upgrades such as new windows, improved insulation, or modern appliances. These changes not only reduce your utility bills but also make your home more environmentally friendly. Over time, the savings can add up, making remodeling a smart financial decision. Functionality is another important benefit. As families grow or lifestyles change, homes need to adapt. Remodeling gives you the opportunity to reconfigure spaces to better meet your needs. This might include adding storage, expanding a room, or converting unused areas into functional spaces like home offices or guest rooms. In today's world, having a home that supports your lifestyle is more important than ever. Aesthetic appeal also plays a big role in remodeling decisions. Trends and personal tastes evolve over time, and what once felt modern may now feel outdated. Remodeling allows you to refresh your home's look with updated designs, colors, and materials. Whether you prefer a sleek, contemporary style or a more classic feel, these updates can make your home feel new again. Another reason homeowners invest in remodeling is to address maintenance issues. Over time, wear and tear can affect various parts of your home, from flooring and cabinetry to plumbing and electrical systems. Remodeling provides an opportunity to fix these issues while also upgrading the overall quality of your home. Addressing problems early can prevent more costly repairs down the line. Customization is another major advantage. Remodeling allows you to create a space that reflects your personality and preferences. Instead of settling for a layout or design that doesn't quite fit, you can tailor your home to match your vision. This level of personalization makes your home more enjoyable and uniquely yours. For many homeowners in Rochester Hills, remodeling is also about long-term planning. Whether you're preparing your home for future needs or simply want to make it more comfortable for years to come, remodeling helps you stay ahead. Features like improved accessibility, better layouts, and durable materials ensure your home remains functional as your needs evolve. Finally, remodeling can enhance your overall quality of life. A well-designed, updated home creates a more pleasant environment for everyday living. From improved lighting and better flow to increased comfort and efficiency, these changes can have a lasting impact on how you experience your space. In the end, homeowners in Rochester Hills invest in remodeling because it offers both immediate and long-term benefits. It's an opportunity to improve comfort, increase value, and create a home that truly works for you. Whether you're making small updates or planning a major renovation, remodeling is a powerful way to transform your home into a space you'll love for years to come.